Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, it's working now. So this is just a testing of live streaming. I have not done any live streaming before, and this is the first live stream you can say, and I'm just testing it out. Let me see how it works or not. And you may hear a lot of noise. It's okay, I think. Yeah. So let me share my screen as well. So built-in display. It is going. I hope you can see my screen. Okay. Hello. Yeah. So what I am currently trying to do is build an extension, Chromium extension. I'm working on it. I am almost close, but I am currently facing some issues in integrating Dodo payments. So that's why I am stuck currently. Okay. Let's yeah. So this is the basic interface. You click on it, and this interface opens up. This is the basic interface of our Pro Polish My Pro. So, and this is my current landing page. I will need to make some tweaking on it. Okay, right. For example, you can see the colors are not perfect or good, and yeah, colors in these icons are not that good. That's why. So it is a test. Maybe in future I will conduct more live stream just for testing it out. Okay. So basically, I'm building this application. It is a Chromium extension. The backend is in Next.js and Superbase. I'm using Superbase for both as a backend service and database as well. And I plan on deploying it very recently. I have almost finished a lot, most of the stuff. Just I need to polish some more aspects like uh, I'm currently trying to integrate Dodo payments. Right, yes. Yeah. So Dodo payment, I am stuck on the webhook. The webhook is not working correctly. So that's what I am trying to track the issues. So yeah, that's all for I think. Yeah, I can build live, and I am currently extensively using AI tools like ChatGPT. I depend on ChatGPT for this product because I have to ship it first, and I am a single developer, indie developer. With that in mind, yeah, so that is about the project. So let's talk where I am stuck now and what is there in my mind, so that I can try it out and try to resolve this issue. So currently, what it is doing is, if you look into the code here, if you look into the code here, it is showing this unhandled webhook event. Okay, so Dodo payments have different types of events, and according to the events, I have written some parts of some code with the help of AI, of course. that this should activate, right? On active subscription, this event should trigger. This this helper function should trigger on this event. Okay, you can see the event is subscription dot active, but it is not working right now. I don't know why. I have to look into it. I asked ChatGPT and it said that, yeah. So I asked event. Uh, yeah, but if I see their documentation, like where is the webhook? I saw it somewhere, and from there I picked it up. I think I have to make it raw kind of a thing, right? Uh, what I can do is something like this. That event type is coming. That subscription active. Here is the uh, payload. 1 minute. Let me check the code. Windows subscription payload type. So yeah, payload dot type is giving the type of subscription, the type of the event, that is subscription type. So I think I have to create a use case kind of a logic where if the subscription is dot active, then I run this one instead of relying on their. This is something I saw in their documentation. I'm not able to find it now. 1 minute. Let me search it. So that's like, I think I have to buy a new website. It's not working. So I need to try out with something else. Web documentation. I'm going to this page, but I'm not getting it. Editing. So yeah, I recently I'm trying out the next TypeScript version. TypeScript because I have been working with JavaScript for quite some time. Recently, I thought why not give TypeScript a go as well. Because, yeah, most of the people are now trying to use TypeScript, and I when I try to use TypeScript, initially I faced many problems, especially when building the Next.js application. It's a nightmare. The whole yeah, it has lots and lots of checks that actually does not is not there in uh, general JavaScript based or JSX based application. So yeah. So what I then realized is sometimes you get an error during the compile time. So this is the main motto, and this is why TypeScript is used, right? To get to minimize the type error before production. Okay, and when using it, I realized there are some, yeah. So I felt it. I felt the need for that. For example, I was using some plugin or adapters, and I faced error on that compile error. And then I realized if I did not have TypeScript, otherwise it would have went through. I passed some parameters inside the functions, inside the parameters or variables inside the functions, which are not optimal for that application, and it would have went through if I was just using JavaScript. But since I'm now using only the TypeScript, since I'm now using the TypeScript, it catches those type of errors during compile time. Okay. No, it is not helpful yet. Should I give you a thumbs down? If guys tell me. I don't know, one is watching. Who's the other person? Okay. I don't know who he is, but someone else is also watching. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's get. Yeah. So coming to the webhook page, I'm not still finding the correct one. Licensing. Am I getting the web authentication? Migration. Okay. I realized what we can do is we can just switch to this type of the subscription, and according to that, so it was previously there. I didn't that did not work, so I switched it to this. So I'm currently using Dodo Payments Next.js adapter webhooks. Webhook. Yeah, so, and since I'm using TypeScript, it does not let me just enter the type of the payload. So this is something that you can see that this is accepting it. So it should work, right? Accepting it because, yeah, because of the TypeScript. If there was some type error. Okay. So let me focus on the ChatGPT is telling me develop and trigger a test event for Dodo values. Something like, yeah, yeah. Replace on payload with this. Oh my god. This is not going to work, but let me give it a try. Console log. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's talk about open page. On payload. TypeScript toolkit. I think this should work. Let us test it once more. Now You may think that why so it is in development, right, in localhost 3000, but I'm using ngrok. So ngrok so ngrok is a tool that you can use to forward your application temporarily for something like it gives you a temporary web link, and then you can call it, and it's public. Okay. So this is the webhook. So when I will, so this is the code for webhook. So what is the webhook? It's basically a URL link that you call from other websites. Okay. So it's kind of an API, but you call it from other platforms like Indo documents. Yeah, I created the webhook. And, okay. I will just- So it's okay. So yeah, the code went through. Okay. Yeah, the product went through. The request went through. Okay. So what is this active subscription event? So this is a event which will be called, and then this webhook, the document platform will send a request to my platform with through this webhook. So this event will occur for multiple types of event, like if someone subscribes, handle subscription activation, it will send a handle subscription activation, uh, handle subscription activation function. It will call this function, and it has some features like assigning the user a plan and updating the user's token and all of the stuff. Okay, so I think I should test it live, right? Let me sign up. Yeah. So, uh, yeah. You can see there is a polling kind of a thing. So whenever I'll run this yeah, extension, it will automatically detect if I this browser or this session browser has any session for that login session for this particular application. Okay, and then it will connect. It will get that token, and then on, if you submit any polish, if you submit any prompt to polish, it will automatically use that token to polish it. Okay. Okay. So let's try this out. Yeah. Okay. Dot payments. Consume. They have dot payments. Okay. Phone is optional. That's a good thing. Just Six thirty. So yes, I should just 6:30. Quantify. They should have at least give the card holder name, right? Yes. Ah, yeah, it worked. Okay. Let me see if anything is given here. Okay. So I think it is just for design of okay, subscription business design of flawless. Why it is saying design okay, I need to get one minute. Hmm, these are not. So good thing is whenever okay, whenever payment is done, it is getting triggered. Okay. Well, I can try Twitch as well, right? For streaming purposes. I am getting what is the issue? User not found. Why the user is not found? There is the user. Validator plans. Subscriptions. No subscription is created. It's no subscription is created because it is saying that user not found. User not found. Okay. There is some flaw here. User not found. User not found. Some from the Now I think I have to get the settings. Please don't anybody do not copy. I think three watching. Okay. For just a minute, I'm going to stop screen sharing because I'm going to expose my APIs. Okay. Just service. Got it. I will copy. Yeah. So I added this. Then redeploy. Yeah. Right. But I know sometimes it gets pretty boring waiting for the application to load and stuff. But compiled. Yeah. Okay. I don't need to go to the dashboard and use subscriptions. Yeah. So let's try the payment again. So I do not live in India. Okay. Let's say I don't live in India. You just use as Continue. Let's try the cards. This one. Yes, just the right one. Okay, I'm getting the same error. Is on. I may have to look into it more promptly. Yeah. Okay. So thank you for watching. If anyone is watching, I don't know. Yeah. So thank you for watching. If anyone is watching, I may delete this stream as well. It was just for testing out. Okay. Thank you. Bye.